10 things people learn too late in life. 1. The less you say, the more your words matter. A lot of us talk far too much, and we're really saying a bit of nothing. 2. Don't take everything personally. Not everyone thinks about you as much as you do. A lot of us get wrapped up in self-talk, and that self-talk ends up damaging not only our relationships, but our ability to understand and communicate. 3. When you focus on problems, you'll have more problems. When you focus on possibilities, you'll have more opportunities. Again, if you're focused on your yays and your nays, then what ends up happening is that you don't move forward. Why? Because of the fact that you're not focusing on things that are going to help you move forward, so you blind yourself to the opportunities that could be in front of you or be around you. Number 4, no matter how much it hurts, someday you will look back and realize your struggles changed your life for the better. That one's really hard to swallow, in the sense that when you're in it, when you're in the thick of thin things, you don't see any benefit to that. But it's something that you need to take a moment and learn from as you move forward. Number 5, you meet people for a reason. Either you need them to change your life, or you're the one who needs to change theirs. You can't change other people. It's a choice. It's just like they can't change you. But you have to accept that either way, and again, use it as a tool to learn and to go forward with your life. Number 6, never be afraid to try something new. Life gets boring when you stay within the limits of what you already know. Every day is an opportunity to grow. Every day is an opportunity to learn. Every day is an opportunity to take yourself to the next level, to experience and to learn from those things and make little slight corrections. Again, one little correction every day gets you closer and closer to becoming the person that you truly want to be. 7, you will never truly know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. That one is so true. A lot of us focus on things that, again, are of no real importance to us, or things that we don't care about. And then when we look back, all of a sudden we remember the good things, or we remember extremely the bad things. But those memories, especially the good ones, sometimes are not exactly true, because we filter out what we don't really want to remember. So again, enjoy the moment. Don't waste your time on stuff that doesn't serve you. Number 8, once you begin to take notes of the things you are grateful for, you begin to lose sight of the things you lack. Your opportunities are now. Whatever's looking you in the face, deal with it, move on, learn from it, and grow. Don't waste your time on stuff that you can't change. The past is the past, but the present is now, and what you do now will help to create and mold your future. Number 9, life is a mirror and will reflect back to the thinker what he thinks into it. Basically, in a lot of ways, you create your own reality. You create your own now. You create your own presence. Why? Because of things that you've done in the past, things that you've said yes to, things that you've said no to. Remember, a lot of the things that we say yes to are things that we probably should have said no to, but at the time we didn't realize it, because we didn't really step back and see things as they were. And number 10, the only person you have to face in the morning is yourself. Be unbeatable. Again, if this resonates with you, please like and share. Take care and be well. And be the best you that you can be. You can do it.